What's up, everybody? It's DJ Run the Mechanic here, back with another video. So yeah, hey, y'all remember in my last video, I said that hey, I got this console to tackle. So hey, I'm doing my best, y'all. I'm doing my best with it. So as you see, I just wrapped it with some of the polyfield stuff. Wrapped it around it. My main reason for doing it, so when I put my material over it, it's gonna make it look kind of plushy, you know what I mean? Instead of than just a hard surface that the material is on, I don't want that, I want it kind of plushy looking, So that's why I wrapped it like that. And plus I'm about to cut out the holes on here. So hey, we making progress, y'all. We making progress. See if this old blade could do something here. Yep. Try to get this lined out. Y'all see that? That's all I'm doing now. Just trying to get it all prepped up. I need to change this blade out, shoot, while I'm talking. That's what I need to do. Matter of fact, where is my other curve? Let me have at it. And just to let y'all know, this is my very first console. I've seen plenty of videos, where a lot of guys, of course the professionals, they're making a nice consoles, for the box Chevys, the C10s, the OBSs and all that there. Man, them suckers looked good. So I was like, hey, let me try and do something for my car, Hey, all you can do is try, you know what I mean? So, yep, that's what I'm doing, trying. That's why they call us DIY guys. Do it yourself. Yeah, we're making progress. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, this project here, all it's gonna do is, just gain me some experience, along with trying to make these. That's all. All right, we getting there. Yes, sir. Time for the sides now. Let's see. Yeah. Hey, what y'all think? We making progress, man. Yes, sir. Boy, we almost there. All right. Hey, y'all, how we looking? How we looking? Yes, sir. We are getting there. Yes, indeed. We are getting there. Hey, look, it might look ugly in the beginning stages, but trust me, once I finish with it, hey, it'll be nice, man. Trust me. It would be nice. And here's my material right here. That's all this is. And of course, you can get this here right off of Amazon. That's right. Now y'all know the prices fluctuate on Amazon. I think at the time I bought this here, it was like $18, I think, for this roll. So, and there's the size right there, 17 by 79, which is just perfect enough for this right here. Ooh, I love that gray, man. Oh my goodness. Yes. This is going to be nice. Yep. So now, even though this here have some sticky stuff on it, shoot, you know what? That might just hold. To be honest with you, because I have used this material before, and as you can see on my amp board, that's the same material right there. That is the same material. So, hey, she definitely sticks now. I'll tell you that. She definitely got some good adhesive on it. So, let me see here. Yeah, so this right here will be the little time lapse part here. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on time lapse while I try and config this out here. So hey, nothing to it but to do it. Let's go. All right, y'all. I'm back in the garage. I done made it to the car. Got the car cranked up, and guess what? We got the console in. That's right. So yeah, I ain't playing around with it, man. Look. Got it all mounted up in there. See that? Got my cup holder, got my 2 outlets. So let's check out that first outlet here. Let me see this one here. All right, there we go. Got some power going back there. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yes, sir. We are good to go with that one. So I can just turn him off. Now, this thing I need to see is my, let me see, my cup holder. It should light up. So let me check that switch out. Make sure it's hooked up. All right, let me see. Okay, yeah. All that is hooked up there on the line. Yep. See, those are hooked up. Let's check out the back. Let's see. Yes, sir. There we go. Got the cup holder lit up. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Got it on that green color. It can change colors, just to let y'all know. Now, I haven't got the LEDs hooked up just yet on the inside. So yeah, even the inside gonna have some light going on. Yeah, that's what's up, man. Cup holder looking good. Got the power outlets going. That's what's up. Let me see if I can go ahead and turn this thing off. There we go. Yeah, I got a little switch that turns that off and on. Yeah, we are good with that. Yeah, like I told y'all, hey, look, we making progress now. We is making progress. Matter of fact, I just thought about it too. Let me, while I'm back here. Now, I don't have my seat buckled down just yet. So, let me see if my, little eyeballs still working on there. I ain't turned them on in a while. Oh yeah. Got the eyeballs working good. Yeah, buddy. Let's see. Oh yeah, everything working good. Yes, sir. Now I can go ahead and turn these off. All right, that's what's up. That's what's up, man. So everything is working. I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, that's what I wanted right there. Let me go and close the garage. There we go. Yep, that's what I wanted right there, folks. Have me 2 extra, let me turn this light on so y'all can see. Yeah, they have me 2 extra outlets back there. So that's good. So that way I won't have my one up front, my main one, tied up all the time. So it'll be freed up. That'll be good right there. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. We looking pretty good there. Kind of look like it came with the car almost. Like that. If y'all see my other video, y'all see I got the board back here. So pretty much just about ready. Got to do some wiring on that. So, hey, like I said, y'all, I'm making progress with it. I'm making progress. So that was the first thing. The board. Now this right here. And then next is the amplifier rack itself. Whoo, now that's gonna be a job right there, y'all. Yes, sir. I'm trying to get that straight. But, yep. The console is done. Happy about that. Matter of fact, yeah, I do have the remote for it too. So it's in my little other cup holder. So yeah, I'm glad I got that straight. So, I mean, I had to redo that one over anyway though, y'all. I mean, the material I had on it before got kind of scratched up when I was bringing, what was that? It was some extra wood pieces that I had bought from Home Depot and stuff, and wasn't paying attention, and it, you know, kind of messed up the material, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I ain't want that stand back there looking all scratched up like this. So that's why I decided to go ahead, look, take it down while I had the amplifier rack down, the 6x9 board, and just, hey, look, do a rewiring over it and add extra outlets on it. So, hey, it came out pretty good though. I like that. So, hey, it's on to the next project, y'all. And like I said, next up is the amplifier rack. Yes, I'm gonna have some fun with that bad boy. Man, I haven't had music in about, I ain't had music in about 2 months, somewhere like that. So yeah, I've been riding in silence, y'all. So y'all know I can't wait to get that thing hooked up, man. Oh my goodness. But it was so much wiring that had to be done, y'all. I mean, it had to be done. Had to, you know, do some rewiring, and the sound deadening. I mean, all that stuff, it had to be done. So yeah, it's all good though, but it's coming together. Boy, I can't wait though, man. Whoo! Yes, indeed. I'm gonna have to retune the music up and everything, get everything straight. That's gonna be fun, but it's all good though. But yep, yeah, that's another one down, y'all, and another one to go. So appreciate y'all checking me out. Hey, once again, y'all, it's DJ Ron Mechanic here. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss out when I drop a video. That's right. So back to the lab, y'all. More work to be done. That's right. All right, y'all. Hey, I'm out. Catch me on the next one.